Hello friends, so it is Friday afternoon and we've decided to do a science experiment together. I have my daughter Jasmine and my sons Ronnie and James that wanted to try this out. So we have a cup of water, or I should say a glass with some water in it, and Jasmine's going to pour some oil inside. Go ahead, pour away. More. A little more. All right. So what's the first thing you guys notice about the water and the oil? Oh, and my daughter Josephine has decided to join us.
The oil and the water are separated. The oil's on the top and the water's on the bottom.
Okay, and why is that? Why are they not mixing?
Because they have different densities.
Very good. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to add some food coloring to it. And I want you to watch and see what happens to the food coloring as it is dropped into the water and oil mixture. What's the first thing you guys notice?
It went through the oil but not the water.
Okay, and is it, how does it look?
It's floating.
It looks like it's floating.
It looks like it's floating. It's like little balls, little pellets.
Yeah.
Okay.
Polka dots.
Polka dots. Very good. Okay. All right.
And they're all gathering at the bottom. And if you look at the bottom, the oil's holding it back from the water.
Yeah, but if you watch long enough, what do you think might happen? Do you think it'll puncture through and get into the water?
No.
Yes.
I don't know.
I mean, maybe.
Cause the food coloring looks like it's heavier.
Okay. All right, well, let's put a tablet in. Now we are putting in like an Alka-Seltzer tablet inside.
See, I was right. It went through. Oh, it's a volcano. Oh, that's cool. And they're all gathered at the top. Wow! The frost.
So what's the bubbles? The bubbles is the carbon dioxide, and it's creating
The gases.
Right, it's creating the bubbles, the
Bubble.
gas. And because the oil is a thicker density than water, it almost looks like
It's exploding.
It's like waves.
It's like waves,
Up and down.
Volcano waves.
volcano waves.
Everything's going up on that side.
All right, what happens if you put it in another tablet?
We make it.
Go ahead, see what happens.
I didn't bring another tablet.
Oh, you didn't bring another tablet, okay.
I'll be right back.
That's okay.
I want it to be like that side so it can go. But mommy asked.
So it's kind of like a lava lamp or a mini volcano.
Mama, it's not even.
It doesn't have to be even. You see the little tornado in the center though of it? Do you see it?
Yeah, it's forming into a volcano. And the bubbles, these things here. Oops. The bubbles got bigger.
Yeah, they did get bigger. Some of the bubbles did get bigger. The food coloring bubbles did
Okay,
get
here
better.
comes tablet number 2. Here comes tablet number 2. Drop it. Now there's 3 tornadoes. 3 tornado, volcano, tornado. And the bubbles got even bigger.
And the bubbles did get bigger. Why do you think that is? Why do you think everything looks like it's gotten bigger?
Because it's mixing with the 2 liquids.
Okay, but what was just put in?
Another
A fuzzing
Right, and the tablet is carbon dioxide. So the more carbon dioxide, the bubbler it gets, more active it is, right?
And the more it gets exploded.